be using this cuticle pusher and this little scraper tool. I'm gonna be using a straight edge nail clipper, coarse safety drill bit, some acetone, and I just put it in this bottle, and you could use any acetone. And I'm gonna be using these little napkins and these little clips, nail clips. So the first thing that I'm gonna be doing is pushing back my cuticles. Now I'm gonna cut down the nails to make it easier. Now I'm using my electric drill, and this is like a 20,000 RPMs, and I got it like at a high speed, but not a like extremely high speed. But I'm just like filing down the acrylic and like trying to like thin it out so that when I soak them it won't like take forever. Also, if you're new to my channel, my name is Jasmine. I make beauty and lifestyle content. If you're interested, make sure you subscribe and turn on your notification bell to be notified when I upload. And if you're not new, then welcome back to another video. If you don't have a electric drill, you can use a hand file, or you can just get a plastic bag and acetone and soak your nails that way. So I usually take 2 of the little napkin thingies, and I will do like 3 to 4 pumps because I want it to be really soaked so that like it can soak off the acrylic really good. And you can get this, it comes in a kit with the bottle and the nail clips, napkin thingies, and the cuticle pusher and the scraper thing. It all comes in a kit, and you can find it on Amazon. And after I do like 3 to 4 pumps, I would like fold it so it could fit on my nail. So after I do that, I wait for like 20 to 30 minutes and then I take it off. So after that, I take the scraper tool and I scrape the acrylic gently, and then I take a file, and I'm using a 180 hand file, and I like try to file off the acrylic or whatever. And then after that, I repeat the same steps before. Like, you want to keep doing this until the nail, like until all the acrylic is off. Like applying the acetone to the nail and stuff. You want to keep doing that until all the acrylic is off. this video was helpful. If you enjoyed it, leave a like down below, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe and follow me on my social media. And I will see you guys in my next video.